Hello and welcome again. We are now looking at the next problem. Again, it is on sectional orthographic views. So we are shown one object in the three dimensions, that means in isometric view, and then we are asked to draw certain views. What views we are asked to draw? We are asked to draw the sectional front view when the object is cut from here, that is section AA. And then you have to also draw the object from the left side, how it is seen, and also when you draw from top, when you see from top, how it is seen from the top. That is what is to be drawn. So let me describe the object first. Now this object here is made up of some kind of a plate at the base. Now this plate is like a L shape of certain thickness 10. Then at this place there is a raised hole, certain height is there. Again on this side there is a cylindrical shape. From the side again there is a raised surface with a hole, and then at the middle here there is a bigger size cylinder which is there, and this cylinder is supported on two sides by ribs. So one rib is here, other rib is here. This rib is touching at this point and then it is extended till down, and this side rib is touching again on the top surface of the cylinder, and then slightly it is going down. So these two surfaces they are the ribs, and then there is a cylinder here. What you have to notice here is, you see the way dimension is written here. It says diameter 30, 50 deep. Now this 50 deep means this hole is not till the full length. What is the height here? Height is 95 plus 10. So the total height is 105. But out of this 105 height, this 30 mm diameter hole which is there, that is only up to 50 mm deep. It is written here 50 mm deep. So this is the meaning of holes which are not through. They are written by their depth. If nothing is written, say here nothing is written, that means this diameter is outside is 40 and the inside diameter 20 which is there, this 20 is full till the end. Here also inside diameter is written as 20, which is again how it is. This figure, let me find out, I'll tell you what it is. So this inside diameter is again full because the depth is not shown. So let us now examine how to draw the sectional front view. So when you start examining, it is cut from here, this front part is removed and only the back part is remaining. So what you will see after it is cut, first thing is you will see this cylinder that is cut, then you will see this rib which is cut. Now this rib is cut along the plane, therefore no section lines. Then this base plate is cut from here to here. Then this cylinder is also cut just like this cylinder, and then there is a plate here which will be also cut, and the hole also will be cut. Now see here, this hole will start from here and then it will open with this. Okay. Now they are writing here tap 10 mm. That means it is not a hole, it is a tapping. But you know what you do is, for your syllabus, you will call it as just a hole. So you take it as a diameter. There are a lot of mistakes here. You take it this as a diameter 10 hole, and then outside you take it as a let me this one. You take it as a diameter 20. Just take it as diameter 20. So correction here, make it 20 and make it 10, diameter 10. Okay. So after it is cut, how it looks? That is a sectional front view. So already drawn here. So this is the sectional front view. So when you see in this direction, as we have discussed just now, this base plate, this is a base plate which is cut. Then there is a cylinder here which is also cut. See, the cylinder is also cut, but the cylinder is continuous with the plate, so it goes like this. So the cylinder continues here. Then there is a rib which is cut along the plane, so there is no section lines. This pipe is cut like this, and then at the end there is a plate which is also cut. Now since the height of the plate is same as this, you will not realize, you will think that this is like a one surface. So you can see it looks like a one surface. And then there is a tapping here. Tapping has got some different meaning. That is a threading, but then we will not consider this. We will consider this as a plain hole. So you will draw this as a plain hole here. Okay, so that becomes the sectional front view. And as I said earlier, the sectional views have got less number of work because there are no dotted lines. So that becomes a sectional front view. Now we have to draw the left hand side view looking in this direction, which is what is already drawn. So what does this view contain? This view contains from this side, you can see this extension, this side, it is the main middle part. So if you draw center line and begin, then with respect to this center line, maybe you can first draw this plate of thickness 10 from this end to this end, whatever is the size given here. You can see here 35. So on center line, from the middle, 35 on this side, 35 on this side. So from this middle, 35 on this side, and 35 on this side. These two lines are drawn. So these two lines represent the width of this part. Okay, then there is an extension here like this, which has got certain distance. Now this distance you will take, maybe it is written above here. From the middle it is 70. So from the center line, go in this direction by 70, and then you will get. So from here, if you go here by 70, you will get this center line. And once you get this center line, then whatever is the curvature shown here, R20, that means after 70, another 20 distance is there. So from this 70, you go ahead by 20. That is where the object is over. So this 10 mm thickness will continue up to here. So this 10 mm thickness is drawn up to here. So 70 from center to center and another 20 here. So you come here. And then after you draw this base plate, then there is a projection of certain thickness. Now that thickness is given as 5 mm. But we are looking at the dimensions in the answer. That should not be there. 5 mm should have been written. It is written here. 5 mm thickness is already written here. Fine. So 10 mm and another 5 mm for this ring. So that is this ring. Then you draw this particular bigger cylinder, 95 mm height, and it is above this 10 mm. So above this 10 mm from here, you draw 90 mm rectangle representing the cylinder of this size. Then inside the cylinder there is a hole which we have just now seen. It has got a depth of 50 mm, diameter 30. So here this is a hole of diameter 30 and depth is 50. So that is what is drawn with a dotted line. This is not through. Okay, so we have drawn till here. Then is the rib, and after that in front of that is this pipe, and then there is this. So this pipe you are going to draw as a rectangle of size. Height is 20 and this is 40. So 40 by 20 rectangle will come. So this is 40 by 20. So this rectangle represents this pipe. Then there is a hole here of diameter 20. So these dotted lines are for that 20. Then this part is again having the width as 20 and this hole is 20. So therefore if I'll just make it close. So you can see these dotted lines are for the hole at a distance of 20. And this is also 20. So it is drawn like this. Up to the center line it is straight and then there is a curvature. Now these dimensions are there in the figure. So you can see here, this is 10 mm, then another 10 mm. So take 20 mm from the base. If you go up, then you will get a center and then you take a radius of 10 mm. So that is another 10 mm above. So 10 plus 10, this 10 is straight and the next 10 is curvature. Total is 20. This is also 20. Therefore it is matching here. This curvature and this is matching. Now they have drawn these two lines here. That is actually wrong. But what they want to show is, they want to show that this hole of diameter 20, that means this dotted line, I will just take you close. This dotted line of size 20, that is continuing after this point also. So what is mistake here is, from here to here and from here to here, the lines which are shown as continuous, they are wrong. This should be shown as dotted, this should be shown as dotted line here, which is this line. Only this part, the dotted line is covered by this line, therefore here it is a continuous line. Otherwise here there is a dotted line and here also there is a dotted line. Now comes the top view of this figure. So if you examine this figure and looking in this direction as a front view, if you go above and see the top view, then it will be seen like this shape from the top, and there is a pipe here and two ribs. So that is what must have been drawn. So let us look here. So this L shape is this L shape. Starting from here, going cylinder and then coming here. Starting from here, going to the cylinder and then coming down like this. So that is the first thing you have to draw. So this base plate shape which is there, that is to be drawn first. Now while drawing that, this pipe is here, so the center line of this pipe has to be the same. So draw one line like this, and then you mark this point here anywhere. And once you mark this point, you can draw the inside diameter, then you can draw the outside diameter at this point. Then taking the reference of this center of the cylinder, you have to draw these two cylinders, one here and one here. The distance is given 90 here and 70 here. So from here you go to 90, from here you go to 70. And on these lines, you have to draw one center here, other center here. Across this, you create a small circle and larger circle of these two sizes. And at this place, 70 distance, draw these two circles. One is here and other is here. The inside circle has got size 30 mm. Then no, they are written wrong. This is wrong. See, the inside is 20 and the outside is 30. They are written the opposite. So 20 here, 30 here, and then the outside curvature has got size 20. Now since this is 20, this distance is more, so this is going as a tangent. So you draw this curvature, and connect these two curvatures. I'll just take you close. Draw one curvature here, and then these two curvatures, they are joined by a tangential line like this. So just touch your scale and draw the tangent line here. This is a proper vertical line, horizontal line, radius here, semicircle here, straight line here. Okay, so you create these ones, and then this part you create, that is a small rectangle, and here these two dotted lines, they are the meaning of M20, what they are shown, or rather M10, what they are shown. But we are making it as diameter 10, not M10. See, what they mean is, by M10 they mean it is a threading. That means there is a threading here, so the bolt can go inside these threads. But then we are not learning these threaded conventions, which is more of a mechanical engineering job. So we are not learning that here. So we are taking this as a plain hole of diameter 10. Okay. So 5 mm on other side, this is drawn. So this part is this. So this part what they are shown is this part. This one. So this one is there. Okay, so we have described the top view, we have described the front view, and we have also described the end view. Now when you draw this figure, what you do is, I am just going to make some change here. So when you draw this figure, what you do is, you draw this sectional front view, right here front view, FV. Sectional front view as it is, you draw the top view as it is, but here you are going to make a change here. This is going to be your sectional left hand side view. That means you are going to look in this direction and draw this view as a section, and the section plane I have to give you. So the section plane I am giving you, that it is passing from the center of this circle over here. So if I try to show here, then it can be shown something like this. So what you do is, you take a section BB from this center line, and then after taking section BB, how this object will be seen, that is how you have to draw here. That means this left hand side view what they have drawn, that view you are going to modify slightly, so that you will be able to show what happens when the section is taken from here. Okay. Then accordingly there will be changes which you have to make. Okay, so that modification will be there, and that will complete this figure. That is going to be your practical exercise for this date.